Hello and welcome to another very interesting piece of news about the Spanish market. When you plan on investing in a country, it is very important that you make sure that the market is a very good, safe and steady market, and especially that there are no fluctuations that can affect the value of your property, especially if you need to resell in a moment when the prices are going down. What can we observe about the Spanish market? The Spanish market is the only market in Europe that has managed to keep the price increase below 10% over the past 10 years. So, over the past 10 years, prices in Spain have increased by less than 10%. What did we see in the other countries in Europe? Big fluctuations. There are countries where prices increased by over 40%. In some countries, prices even double. I'm talking about countries such as Czech Republic, for example, Austria, Luxembourg. Prices doubled over the past 10 years. Overall, on average, the level of prices in the European Union increased by 46% over the past 10 years, while Spain managed to keep this increase below 10%. Another aspect that we observe is how much the market varies and fluctuates in other countries compared to Spain. For example, if we look at Europe altogether, Europe has registered a lot of ups and downs. From Q2 2011 until the beginning of 2013, prices were going down. Then they remained stable until around until 2014. Then they started to go up, and they went up from 2015 until 2022. Then, from the end of 2022, because of the increase because of the increase in mortgage rates, that started to go down, and that's the trend that we are still witnessing across different countries, and we spoke about that already. Prices are going down. But in Spain, what do we see? A very, very gradual increase, steady and gradual. So, while if we compare year on year in Spain, we see different types of increase in prices, and we already spoke about that. If we look at the market altogether, what we see is a very steady and stable market. This is extremely important at the moment of investing in a country, because this shows that the market is not subjected to these ups and downs that are driven by external market factors, but it is so solid, so strong, that it keeps going its own way. It's like a ship that keeps floating very peacefully while the sea is very turbulent and all the other ships are going ups and down or sinking. This is extremely important if you are an investor, and I'm talking even small investor, someone who wants to buy a home to build some interest in equity, buy a property to invest, to rent out to tourists, or medium term to secure a passive income. This is a very, very important aspect to consider. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more news. I am Daniela Gnecchi, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.